Coffee time. Look at that.
Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and we're going to do our weekly update video to let you guys know where we're at and what's going on. This week has been a week of battles of the wits for me, man. It feels like I went through war. Replacing the oil cooler and the raw water pump on the Starboard engine, it was an incredible amount of work. And it beat me up. I have a bruise on this arm, I have cuts everywhere, and it was an intense day of work, I can tell you that right now. But anyway, that engine's squared away. I did come up and I found another problem on the port engine, and we're trying to get the parts now for that so that we can depart. Bev is checked out almost 100%. She's got 99. One more little test they want to do to see if she's going to need any medication, but I think everything's going to be all right there. And then we're waiting for one last business thing to take off. So we're hoping to take off here in the next week. I know we keep saying next week, but we just got to clean up these last few things. And the Loop Princess is ready to go. She has one more little issue that I've got to order a couple parts for, and hopefully we can get those parts fairly quickly and get this thing started and get out there and do some trawling and give you guys some good videos. Anyway, I just want to give you our weekly update. Week 19, living on the trawler now full time. We've learned an incredible amount. We've extended our help, and we're helping people all the time, every day now, almost, it seems like. And we're enjoying it. We're enjoying our life right now, and we're enjoying what's happening. We met a couple of guys from Walkabout last week. They were pulling through, and we're hoping to catch back up with them to do the crossing, but we'll see if that all works out. Anyway, super nice guys, and they're in about the same size trawler that we are, the same speed trawler, so it'd be fun to make the crossing with them. Our buddy boat that we were originally planning to go with, I'm not sure, he's kind of waiting for weather window, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. We're just going to, our new game plan is just leave when we're ready to leave, and we're very, very close right now. So anyway, peace out, be good at it, and we will see you guys next week on our week 20 update. That'll be a big week. That's a good anniversary week to get this thing started. Anyway, I will talk to you. I've got a bunch of boat videos to do. I'll try and get some of them knocked out next week. Anyway, appreciate it. Thanks. Peace out. Bye. Paul.
Beverly and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.